Throughout the world, Dal Makhani is the number one dal that is enjoyed in the Indian restaurants, and it is often best eaten with naan, and I especially love garlic naan. Dal Makhani is cooked with black gold. What I mean is black Urad Dal, and this is cooked on a slow flame till the dal is, when you squeeze it, it is nice and creamy. And a lot of people also add rajma, chana dal, and they give a different name like dal maharani, dal maharaja. Like any good dal, we're going to start with the tempering, but today I'm going to use ghee and with little bit of cumin seeds, little bit of garam masala, and then I'm going to add some chopped onion and garlic. And this is traditionally not added, but I just love to add a little bit of garlic for sure. That gives a very enhancing taste when this dal is nice and ready. Brown the added onion garlic by adding a little bit of salt. And when this is little sauteed, you can add chili powder. Especially I prefer to add red chili powder that gives a very nice color. Pinch of turmeric will also enhance the color. To this I'm going to add the freshly grounded tomato puree. You can also add canned or Tetra Pak kind of tomato puree to this. When the raw tomato puree is fully cooked, this is the time when you add the pre-cooked black dal and add the little bit water also and let it simmer and let it cook for 10-12 minutes. In the hotels we often cook this for 1-2 hours on a slow flame. Slow cooking gives that really nice rich texture. After slow cooking and when you get the nice rich texture, this is the time that you actually make it rich. For 1 cup of dal, we often add 2 cups of butter, but you can also add just 1 cup of butter in this. Yes, this is a nice rich dal. Now, if you want to eat it really nice restaurant way, you got to add this. Now is the time to add cream. As I told you, this is a very nice rich dal. Add 1 cup of cream into this and incorporate. Always what we do is we take some of the boiling gravy or sauce and put it in the cream so that when you add it to the dish, it doesn't curdle. Usually we do this technique in any gravy where some acidic like tomato or something is used. So do that so your cream won't curdle. Add to the dal and let it boil for a couple of more minutes. This is the time you will start seeing the texture of dal makhani and true colors and everything, but the aroma is not there because we need to add a herb, that is Kasuri methi. This powder is what will enhance the flavor of this dal makhani, or even when you add any makhani like butter chicken or anything, little bit of Kasuri methi is that what makes all the difference. How can we not make naan when you have dal makhani? Often spread with some garlic and made into a naan on a tawa on which we sprinkle a little bit of salt water so it doesn't stick. You turn it upside down and cook it on a direct flame to get a nice beautiful tandoor like color texture on the naan. Even if this naan cools down, it doesn't become elastic, and that's why a lot of people prefer this kind of naan. And your dal makhani is ready and this greatest naan is ready. The texture, the look is so beautiful that people just fall in love with this dal. This is a time you also make this dal at home and enjoy it. And as usual, it is always awesome and absolutely boomba this very special dal. I hope you guys try it and make it and you will enjoy it.